Welcome back to Cars Binge, your go-to channel for the boldest rides and latest reveals. Today, we're diving into a truly wild creation from Ford, the 2026 Mustang Raptor. Yes, Ford has done the unthinkable by blending the muscle of the classic Mustang with the rugged, trail-ready DNA of the Raptor family. The result? A jacked-up, all-terrain beast with a Mustang badge on the grille and dirt in its veins. With aggressive bodywork, a lifted stance, and those signature Raptor flares, this machine is built to break rules and boundaries. It's muscular, it's menacing, and it's unlike anything we've seen before from Ford. Step inside, and the Mustang Raptor continues to break expectations. The cabin is a blend of rugged functionality and high-tech flair. Durable materials line the interior, with rubberized surfaces, carbon fiber accents, and contrast stitching giving it a sporty yet resilient vibe. A massive 13.2-inch S1C5 touchscreen dominates the dash, paired with a fully digital driver cluster that offers real-time off-road data and customizable layouts. The Recaro-inspired bucket seats are bolstered for both street curves and off-road jumps, offering comfort and control. Ambient lighting, wireless smartphone integration, and premium sound all remind you this is still a performance car, just one that can take a beating and still look good doing it. Under the hood, the Mustang Raptor trades traditional V8 thunder for smart, turbocharged muscle. Borrowing the 3.5L twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 from the F-150 Raptor, this pony produces an estimated 450 horsepower and over 510 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a 10-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive, this powertrain is built for versatility and torque-heavy domination. Whether you're launching off the line or climbing loose terrain, it delivers smooth, explosive acceleration. A Baja Tune drive mode, adaptive Fox suspension, and an active exhaust system make it as wild as you want it to be. It's not just about speed anymore, it's about conquering every surface in your path. On the road, the 2026 Mustang Raptor is surprisingly refined for a vehicle that looks like it belongs in the desert. The ride quality is smooth and composed, thanks to the advanced Fox suspension system that soaks up bumps and uneven pavement with ease. Despite riding on massive 33-inch all-terrain tires, the steering feels tight and responsive, offering a confident grip even during quick lane changes or tighter curves. It's not a track car anymore, but it still delivers that signature Mustang thrill, just in a more versatile package. Highway cruising is effortless, with a quiet cabin, adaptive cruise control, and sound insulation that keeps the roar of the wild at bay, unless you hit the active exhaust, which reminds everyone this is still a Mustang at heart. Around town, its wide stance makes it a bit bulky in tight spots, but it dominates the road with undeniable presence. Whether you're cruising city streets or hitting back roads, the Mustang Raptor delivers a ride that's bold, balanced, and always entertaining. So how does the Mustang Raptor feel when it's not eating dirt? 2 words: shockingly smooth. This thing glides over potholes like they don't even exist, thanks to that Fox suspension doing wizard-level work. You'd think those massive 33-inch tires would ruin road manners. Nope. Steering's tight, body rolls minimal, and yeah, it still drives like a Mustang, just taller and meaner. On the highway? It's a beast in stealth mode. Quiet when you want it, loud when you don't. Just hit that active exhaust and wake the whole block. City driving? Sure, it's wide. Like, SUV parking spot wide. But come on, who cares? You're driving a lifted, turbocharged Mustang. People move out of your way. This isn't just a muscle car on stilts, it's a street-dominating monster.